Welcome back to the training. This is John Francis, and this very training is focused on Monetag and Adsterra Arbitrage. Alright, so this is the part 2 of this very training. In our last class, I told you that I'm going to simply make another video on how to create a landing page and also run this Facebook ad. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to simply go straight to the part 2 of this very video, which is going to simply show you how to create the landing page and also run the ad. So let's get into the video right away. We need a landing page. We also need offer. All right, I'm going to simply use a landing page builder. I have to simply click on this sign up button. Okay, so here we go. This is the landing page that's going to help you to build a bio page. Okay, and you can also use this strategy if you are into CPA marketing arbitrage. Okay, so I just want to go and create a new account because I already have an account on this very platform. I'm using my landing page for this. Okay, but I want to create a new one separately so that you know how everything works. All right, so we're going to simply click on the sign up with Gmail. We are signing up with Gmail. Then we're going to simply select this very account. Okay, so we're going to simply remove this, allow the main page to load. All right, so we've already created this, and what we're going to do right now is simply create a landing page. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do right now is simply customize the appearance. Let's click on appearance. Okay, so you can also go ahead and add whatever you want to add. Okay, let's say here, install the app, start your 7-day trial and select your yearly plan. We don't really want that. Okay, so let's add the next thing you're going to do is to simply add your social icon. Okay, so if you want to add social icon, this is how to do it. Okay, so remember what I told you the other day is to make sure that whatever traffic you bring into this very page, you are banking on them. All right, you are banking them, you are keeping them in a safer place. Okay, so the best place to keep all of your subscribers is on Telegram. You can also use your email list. You have to build an email list where people can easily follow you. All right, so you need to do simply click on this add social icon. Okay, so we're going to simply get to that later on. Okay, so we're going to simply make sure we add another thing. I want a separate thing for this. Let's select this one. After everything, you have to simply click on this add social icon. Right, so because we want to bank our traffic, you have to make sure you click on that and add all of that. Okay, let's allow it to load. So you can easily add your thread, you can add your Instagram, you can add email list, you can add your YouTube, your Facebook, your WhatsApp, and all of that. Okay, so there are many things you can easily add here, and both Patreon. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can easily add here. So you can see Telegram, so you have to make sure you add Telegram right here. Okay, so if I want to add my Telegram, I'm just going to simply click on this section. Let's copy this because this is how Telegram should appear. Okay, you paste it here, make sure it's well added, then you add your channel name. Okay, so we've already added that. Let me copy it for sake of next time. All right, so once it's added, click on this add to link tree. Okay, so this has been added. You can see Telegram here. Then let's try adding another one. Then let's say we want to add Patreon, but I don't really need them on Patreon, but I'm just going to add this, add it here, then add padded vibes. All right, so it has been added. Click on add. Okay, so it has been added here. Then you can go ahead and add as many as possible. All right, so anything you add here has already been saved. All right, so you can decide to add at the top, you can decide to add at the bottom. All right, we want to only promote our Adsterra and our Monetag. Okay, once everything is done, the next thing you're going to do right now is simply click on this link section. Okay, so right now we're going to simply click on this add link. Okay, so if you click on this add link, then we're going to simply add our first link, which is the Monetag. All right, so come back to Monetag, then click on copy, then head back here, then paste it here, then click on add. The first thing has been added. Okay, so we're not going to leave this link the way it is right here. Remember, there is something that you have to offer them. Then go over to the trend, Google trend. Let's go to Google trend. For instance, if you want to target people in Nigeria, you have to leave it the way it is right here. Explore what is happening in Nigeria. All right, so if you want to target people in the United States, you just have to make sure you select United States from here. All right, so for this Adsterra Monetag that we're promoting, we want to run advertisement. Okay, remember, we have to focus on countries that are going to give us higher CPM with lower ad spend. All right, so what we're going to do right now is simply use South Africa. We want to use South Africa for these two different ad. All right, so remember, we're using the direct link for now. This particular section is for direct link. All right, so we're going to simply search for South Africa. You scroll down a little bit here, then see this is South Africa. Explore. You're going to see what is happening. Then we have to simply edit this and add what we copied. Add the thumbnail here. Click on set thumbnail. Then click on upload your own thumbnail. Select this. Then we'll have to simply add the first image. This is the first image. Open it, upload, allow it to load. 100%, it has been uploaded. You can see it here. All right, so you click on add link. Then we have to simply add our second link. We have to simply use the same link. Okay, so the first two links are the Monetag direct link, while the second two links are the Adsterra direct link. You have to take note. Okay, then you come back to this section, add your link here, then click on add button, then allow it to load. Let's select the one that is active. Select this one, come back here, paste it here, add it. Then so these are the links. This particular one right here is the traffic bank. Okay, and this is a landing page, and we have to make sure we change this for now. All right, come to appearance. Then you scroll down a little bit, you can change the image. Let's remove this image. Let's pick another image so that it won't be obvious that we're using a separate image. Then using, okay, I think this one is okay. Then click on the next. That is that for that, and we can easily view our landing page. All right, so if you click on this share button, you can copy it. Okay, you can see, so you can easily share this or you copy this. Once you copy this, this is the one that you're going to promote. Okay, so this is the page you're going to promote. All right, so how you need to do is simply come back to the section that says meta ad. Come back to meta ad. Well, so this is a meta ad here. Then you have to refresh this page. We are good to start running our advertisement. Okay, so this is going to be the ending part of this very section, and in the next section I'm going to simply show you how you can easily set up your advertisement. All right, and we can easily go into how to set up the ad for display advertisement on your website. Remember, this is just how to set up the direct link, and I've already taught you how to fund your account and how to select the best ad network. Okay, so as it stands now, you just have to make sure you wait for the next class. All right, so if you have any question at this very moment, I would like you to drop it down in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next class.